I'm Jeff Howard, Director and Managing Partner of the Gulf South Aviation Maintenance Seminar. This is the 48th event. Started out where we have an opportunity to have vendors as well as the industry meet, talk, get to know each other, get that eyeball-to-eyeball contact. What we're doing is we have the vendors, they come and sponsor the program. We have presentations where the vendors can teach mechanics about their products, help them grow professionally, become better individuals at their job. One of the things we want to do is encourage them to go from being that A&P mechanic, when they get that opportunity to become a manager, to learn how to deal with people, learn how to be that manager, to go to that next level. We know that there's a lot of seminars out there for aviation. Most of them are directed toward the operations side. We also know that there's a need in the maintenance side. So that's where we're directing, that's where we're going, that's what we're trying to encourage.
My name's Andy Stefanini. I'm a regional sales manager for Lycoming. Our 95th birthday's coming up next month. And as we go to events like this, well, I definitely like to talk to the younger people that they're just coming out of college. They're becoming an A&P, getting their feet wet, so to say. I really like talking to them and letting them know that aviation has many different avenues you can pick. If they like engines, they can go into engines. If they like working on aircraft frames, they can do airframes.
We're here because we're with BRCC and this is our attendance for today. Our instructor is an IA and this is his continuing education, but we're learning a lot. I mean, it's really interesting. We're getting a lot of cool stuff in the middle of it too. It's a really interesting thing. We're getting to talk to the industry. Lycoming has a real cool mag they came out with about, you know, replacing the traditional magnetos, and it's just real cool. We're just here learning some stuff.
I'm Clay Massie, Vice President of MASCO, and we partnered with Aero, the Guidrys, maybe 20 years ago, and started out as just something to do during the Gulf South Maintenance Conference, and maybe 50 pounds of crawfish and some hamburgers. It's grown into this. Over the years, attendance is 1,000 to 1,500 each year, 5,000 pounds of crawfish. The beauty of the whole party is we're putting the whole industry together. All the OEMs are here, all the operators are here, competitors are all having a good time under one roof. So I think it's kind of a special event for the industry, and we're proud to be part of it.